Okay, so welcome to Emacs coding classes. This is VK Sinha here, and today I am going to talking about the radio button we have to use. So radio button we have to use if I have to select only one option out of the multiple option. In the previous class I told you. Here I am going to repeat only the code we have to understand. So is a class I am going to create a Redis, and that is inheriting the features of the Java frame class. And sorry for this. So we are going to inherit the features of Java frame in my Redis class. We have to the family, and here I created a JFrame is the my class name. Okay, so JFrame is the class that we have to the inherit. I created a one text field, and here I am going to take the reference of the Java button, and I am taking the reference for the Java label. Okay. Finally, I am going to create a two radio buttons references, and this one will be act as a global. Now I am going to create a constructor here of the same class name public access specifier mode we are taking. We are going to create the object of the Java text field, that is the size is mentioned is a 25 pixel. Button is taking the new Java buttons, and on that button I am going to write a select. Two radio button I am taking that, so I am going to create the object of the radio button R1, that is the new Java radio button in the class name, and on the radio button we have to write the mail. So below, like we have to the radio button here, and I am going to write side that I have to the mail I am going to the right. So I am giving the name here. Okay, so R2 is the new Java radio button, is the second object I created, and finally I am going to write the here female. Okay, so I created a one text field, one buttons on the frame. And what is our intention? If I am writing something text and clicking on the radio buttons male or female, and when we are going to submit this, so it will be the perform the if male is selected, Mr. and name will be there, right? Whatever you are going to that. If you are going to select a female, that is a Miss, and that is a female names will be there, will be so, right? This is our intention of our project. So Java label is the new label object is created for the Java labels, and your response is taking to on this part, right? So finally we have to create to these sections, and we are coming to the just wait to all of you. Okay, now so we have to ready to this concept, and we have to the Java radio button is the coming to this part, and we have taken the reference since Java label is the response, your response is coming in the study class I discussed about it. Just I'm going to the review this part. So we are first add the text field on the frame with the help of add method, which implemented in the Java frame class. Add B is we are going to add the button on the frame. We are going to create a button group object class, that is a button group class, and that's object is created. Why I am creating this object? Because if I am clicking here, so if only one will be the select, other will be the disselected. If I am not creating this object, that's all the buttons will be the selected. So because radio button only perform the only one option, that's why this button group class is responsible to select only one option out of the multiple options. If I am clicking here, that will be the work. Okay, now finally I am going to add in the object of the button group, that is the first radio button and second radio button. Okay, it is the R1 and R2, and now I add the label and radio buttons on the frame. Finally we know that if I am clicking on the button, that action will be the perform, and that action will be performed with the help of add action listener method. And new action listener is your anonymous object. We are going to take this, and now inside that I am taking the method in the public void action performed. When I am clicking on the button, this method will be the call automatic, right? Finally I am going to read the data from the text field. This is a t1.get text field, and I am going to store on the string variable. Why I am taking the string? Because get text method, it will read the data in the string form. That's why I am taking the here string variable. First I am checking the condition if r1 dot is selected method is there. So is selected method is return the boolean value true or false. If r1 first radio button is selected, so I am going to concatenate on the Mr. plus whatever name you written on the text field. So first radio button is a male. Okay, if this radio button is not selected, second radio button is selected, so I am going to concatenate is the Miss plus, right, Miss, and that's concatenate with your name. Finally I am going to set the labels, label dot set text, and whatever I am getting that response I am going to set on the label, that is the name I am going to pass here. Okay, finally I set the layout of the frame, because we have to see the middle space on the frame. Visible set visible method I am going to access, that is a true, that will be there. and set size, width and height I am giving that, and set default close operation method I am going to use to close the frame, and this width and height will be show in the pixel form. Okay, so now we are going to the part we have to understand here. So this is the operation is there. Now we have to create the object of this Redis class. Finally I am going to the run to this code, and we have to understand how is working their part. Okay, so now it's going on, run the code. It's going on, it's running right now. Okay, now I'm going to write a first like we are going to write a Kohli, right? Sorry, Kohli is written and male is selected. So here selected, and when you are going to select it, this action will be the performed with the button group class, that is the object, right? Select. Now see that Mr. Kohli is given because male is selected, right? If I'm going to write that Anushka, we are giving to this part. Okay, so we are giving the Anushka is there, and now we are going to select the female. So it's going to the select, and now see the Miss Anushka is giving that part. So in that way you can see that if you are going to select the male, Mr. will be that. If you are going to the female, that is the Miss will be that. So this is our frame intention. We have to the radio buttons we have to the one. So I hope everybody is getting to this point. Thank you to watching to this section.